Yeah, take it all, ain't no way I can break it off. Girl, is you really down to pay the cost? Reverse the role that you can play the boss. Already know my vision is faded. I try to evade it.
Hey, what is up, guys? Today what we're doing is we're painting my calipers red. This would be VHT engine enamel, just black paint. This caliper like seized up, and not this one, but I had to get a brand new one, and this one happened to be red. So this one's red, but all the other ones are like metal and kind of rusted. So I got sandpaper, I got some brake cleaner, and what we're gonna do is TJ Hunt, Dustin Williams, and like Evan Beckerman, they like started this. You like take a garbage can, put a little slit into it, and then you wrap it around. You just wrap it around the caliper. Obviously you're gonna jack the car up and take the wheel off, but it's like super fast, and it's like really efficient way to do it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Alright guys, so I sanded this down, and I used the wire brush, and I used brake cleaner. This is the best I'm gonna get it. Like, if there was so much rust and it's all off, but like this is the technique I was telling you guys. You take a garbage can, you rip it, so it's, yeah, a garbage bag, not a garbage can, and you rip it so it's like all flat, and you tear a little hole in it, and then you just stretch it around the caliper, and everything's masked off except for the caliper. So now we can get to painting. Alright guys, so here is what it looks like. This is like right after I just got done spraying it, so it's still like really bright and like wet looking, but yeah, hopefully it's not like this bright red, because I did paint the caliper up there, and it's like when it dries it like turns a lot darker, but this looks like almost orange, so it better get darker. But yeah, this is what it looks like. That's basically what I'm just gonna do to the other 4 or 3. Alright guys, this is the other side. That's what it looks like right now. And then I got the tire and rim on the other side. Yeah dude, I think they look good. A lot better than that rusted look. And the red matches like the red Altezza logo. So yeah, now I just gotta do the fronts. This one looks pretty nice already because this is a brand new caliper. And the other side is also brand new, but this part came red. So, but the bracket is still like this, just metal color. So we'll have to do the other side as well. But yeah, this is going pretty quick. I've only been doing this for like half hour and I already got this side. I'm about to take the plastic off, and the other side's already done, as you guys just saw. So yeah, we'll keep going. Alright guys, I'm gonna start the first coat on this one. That's the first coat. Just gonna wait, then I'll do the second coat. Alright guys, so here's the first look of the fronts, all done. And the back, so this is now what it looks like. Hey buddy. Hi. Say hi to the vlog. Alright, so yeah, looking good. To me, I don't know how they look on camera, but to me they look like just a little bit orange. But once they heat up and actually like cake onto the caliper and cure, they're gonna turn like red, like red. So right now, just got done sanding this one. So now I'm just gonna hit it with the wire brush and then get the brake clean, and then we'll start painting it. Alright guys, here's the finished product. So, like I said earlier, on camera and in person, they look kind of orangish, but once they start to like bake, when the brakes get really hot, it'll turn like that really like aggressive red color. But yeah, I think they came out really good. Better than I thought. They look really nice. Look how much bigger the fronts are. And just look, like half of the front is getting covered by a spoke. And look how small the back is. They look good. So if you guys like that video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in cars and you like car stuff, I have so many things on my channel. Check out all my other videos. If you like it, then subscribe. So peace out, guys, and see you guys next time.
I played the game and I'm still the same, and I never changed just to get a deal, bitch, I'm ballin', ballin'. I came from nothing to something like it's nothing, yeah, you know I done it, that is no discussion, bitch, I'm ballin', ballin'.